One of the questions we get frequently is, do I create an LLM app myself, or do I hire a professional or a group of professionals? So our answer is always the same. Before making that decision, it's very important for you to understand the complex issues that a professional LLM application has. So it is going to be relatively easy to build a LLM application demo, but it's going to be very complex and difficult to take that demo into production. To take that demo into a professional LLM application. You are going to face very important issues that is very crucial to understand before facing them. So you are going to find the critical issue of cost. If you don't understand what you are doing, you may find yourself in a very painful situation with huge costs. LLM application have a fixed and variable cost structure. It's very important to understand that before going into a process in order to see if this process is going to be interesting for you, and what do you have to do in order to make an interesting project for your company. So cost is one very important issue. The use of tokens, the limits of the context window, the security of the private data of your company, how to handle the misalignment, how to avoid the unwanted content or the illegal content or the forbidden content in your application. How do you handle the security risks, the potential attacks your application is going to be facing, injections, leaks, jailbreaking? How do you handle these kind of problems, and what are these problems? The question of latency, and the speed of your application. What are the factors in that problem, and how do you manage these factors? The problem of multiple data sources, the problem of open source models. When are they recommendable and when they are not? The problem of lack of reproducibility and evaluation, the problem of hallucinations, the problem of outdated data, the absolutely huge issue of evaluation. The evaluation of LLM applications is totally different from any other software application evaluation process. So it's very different. It's very important to understand it well before starting the process. And finally, prompt engineering. It is very important for you to understand and control prompt engineering in a proper way from day one. So the main thing for you when you are asking yourself if it is going to be better to do it yourself or hire a professional is to understand all these challenges you are going to have in this road. So it's very important to be well prepared at the beginning, because if not, you can face some very painful situations. So you have basically three alternatives. You can learn and create the LLM application yourself. We have bootcamps for that. You can hire external professionals to create the LLM application. We also have a service for that. Or you can have a combination of the previous two options. So you can see some of our courses or even our bootcamp, and then tell us, okay, I understand the process, I see the different steps of the process, but I would like you to go along with me in the process, right? So we can do that. You provide the knowledge about your system and about your industry. We can provide the technical knowledge about the LLM application and go with you. And we can do that in a customized way. So we can be in all the stages or just in some of them, etc., right?